Question. If same videos were posted in both YT and FB, will this create an issue of copyright or reuse even if it's your own original videos? Ilang beses ko na ito na-discuss, Belinda Love, pero sasabihin ko ulit sa'yo, sasagot ulit kita. Ang both Facebook at saka YouTube, meron silang policy na limited originality at saka reuse content. Well, definitely hindi ka makaka-copyright. Kasi sa'yo din yan. Not unless gumamit ka ng copyrighted material. So, dun tayo sa limited originality at saka reuse content. Parehas tong merong nakasulat na nakalagay na bawal kang mag-upload ng video content coming from other social media platform. That's true. However, the reason or the rationale of that policy is para iwasan yung mga mangunguha ng content ng iba sa ibang platform at i-upload sa YouTube or Facebook at angkinin nila. Kasi sila yung nauna. Yun yung reason kaya pinagbabawal yun. Okay? Yung pag-repurpose ng sarili mong content is an accepted strategy to save time for content creators, businesses, and online professionals. Okay? So yung pag-repurpose sa sarili mong content, okay lang yan. Pero meron pa rin tayong technique. Like ko sinasabi na you have to create content na pang-exclusive lang for that platform alone. Para makita din ni Facebook na hindi lang, di ba, paano mapapatunayan na ikaw talaga to? Eh kung lahat ng video na nasa YouTube, inilagay mo rin dito. So hindi ko na masabi na ikaw talaga yan or someone na nag-impersonate lang sa'yo. So make sure na gagawa ka ng content na exclusive for that platform. Also, it's a strategy para mapatawid mo yung viewer mo from Facebook pupuntang YouTube at YouTube to Facebook. At the same time, magkakaiba yung dimension na preferred na mga platform. Like for sa Reels, 9:16, di ba? Shorts, 9:16. TikTok, 9:16. Sa YouTube videos, well, depende sa video mo, pero mas maganda na mas eye-catching kapag naka 5:4 ba to or 4:5? Nalimutan ko. 4:5. Ibig sabihin yung medyo patayo, kaya gaya nung kay Real Talk Darbs. So you can put in text on the top and on the bottom. Mas maganda yung ganon. Samantalang sa YouTube, mas maganda na 9:16. Alright? If you can exert more effort, like for example, di ba kasi iba-iba yung non-copyright music for YouTube, for Facebook, at saka for TikTok, to use their own original music from the platform itself, mas maganda din yun. Change the color of the text, yung length ng video. So, that would be a technique that I highly recommend. Pero okay lang na i-upload mo yung same video from YouTube to Facebook, TikTok. Walang problema dyan. As long as original video mo yan at wala yang watermark. Alright? Pero mas maganda pa rin na may exclusive ka para dun sa platform na yun. Kasi kung meron kang exclusive content on that platform alone, makikita ni Facebook, ay, sa talaga yan. Kasi meron siyang content na na dito lang talaga niya in-upload. Alright? It's also one way to prove na hindi ka impersonator lang. Na kinukuha mo lang yung video ni ni Belinda Love, tapos nagpe-pretend ka na sa'yo yan . Okay? Alright?